Would you like an on-site service agreement with your printer purchase?
Pause. This is one of the most important questions you're going to answer today. Let's listen in.
Does the printer come with a warranty?
Yes, all Troy hardware comes with a standard 1-year warranty. Our team will provide phone support, but if they're not able to solve the issue, you will have to ship the printer to us for repairs.
But what if the printer can't be repaired?
If we can't fix it, we will provide a new replacement at no charge.
So I'm covered if we experience any failures or breakdowns?
Yes, but keep in mind that you will be without a check printer for upwards of 2 weeks if we can't solve the issue over the phone. Can you really afford to hold up outgoing payments and dare we say payroll?
I guess I hadn't thought of it that way. Okay, so tell me about the on-site service options.
A certified technician will come on site for any technical issues that cannot be resolved remotely. You have 2 options. With same day, you get a response in 4 hours, or next day service has a 9-hour response window. Both options include coverage on all Troy and HP components, always replaced with original, never aftermarket, and most of all, peace of mind by avoiding check printing delays. You also get our guarantee that if we can't fix it, we'll replace it.
Coverage on all parts? A certified on-site technician and peace of mind? Seems like a good investment.
Absolutely.
Great! Are there other service options we should consider?
Yes, you should consider the preventative maintenance service. We replaced your maintenance kit, which includes rollers, fusers, and other parts that tend to wear down over time.
Now, how do I know when I need to replace the maintenance kit?
The display panel will advise that it's time or when the printer's maintenance count is within 15% of the kit replacement cycle.
This all sounds complicated.
That's why we're here. Think of a maintenance service like getting an oil change for your car, a standard practice that lengthens the life of your printer.
Oh, that makes sense.
Great. So what do you think, Joe?
I am ready. And please include next day service and the maintenance service with my microprinter order.
Joe made a great decision. Be like Joe and ask your Troy rep about your service options.